Like that.
Okay.
No. I'm gonna put it in your weird vlog.
Galing na siya, oh.
Doji man, comment. YouTube.
Welcome to the video, guys. I know. It's the first time you've seen me in a while. It's currently what time is it, man? It's 6:25 p.m. Classes ended. I think I'm probably gonna show all that clips before this one, so hope you enjoyed that. It's a mishmash of a lot of shit because like I just felt like videoing what I felt like videoing, and it's the class. I have classes today, so not really anything. Not really anything exciting. And I hope you guys love that intro, though. Just want to date. Hell yeah. Anyway, quick update. 6:25. Finished classes. Just took a nap. Now we're gonna go to Starbucks Matalino to go study. Because I have shifting exams on Wednesday and I want to get ahead of myself. You know what I'm saying? No, not shifting. Shifting's on Thursday. It's a Monday today. I have pracs on Wednesday, practical exam. Basically, there's going to be bones, sample of bones, and I have to identify the shaded region or whatever. In front of me, like, I have 10 seconds, and I have snap into, like, I need to know the answer. So I need to, I don't know, man. I'll go more in depth with this whole medicine thing, but just know I'm going to study, maybe feel a bit. I'm probably not going to drink a lot of coffee. I'm probably just going to drink decaf and low-calorie ones because I am on this cut. I'll show you what I ate later when I park. I'll see you in Starbucks Matalino. Let's go get to the study. Alright guys, made it to Starbucks. Alright, Starbucks. Oh shit. Forgot to tell you guys my weigh-in for this morning is 208.6. So that's 0.2 lower than yesterday. There's always a welcome sight. Anyway, now that's done. I'm gonna go in, study, and that's pretty much all there is to do here. So, see ya when I see ya. Decaf, non-fat milk, sugar-free vanilla. Yeah, buddy. Free sample. Study. Alright, done studying. I like it, man. The parking allows me to vlog, which is good. Anyway, study for 2 hours. Not that long, because I gotta wake up early in the morning tomorrow. So I gotta be prepared for that shit. Anyway, before I go home and end this day. Sorry. Alright. It's like, it was so close earlier, and I was like, the door, so close. Anyway, before I end this day, look at my tripod, man. I forgot how hard it is. Anyway, before I end this day, I'm gonna show you what I ate. I mean, you guys saw what I ate earlier. This basically is what I ate. Chicken breast covered in cheese. I didn't get to finish it because to be honest, I was feeling full. So it's currently 9 p.m. Let me just turn this to my bag. Alright. It's currently 9 p.m. I forgot my tripod. It's so fucking hard to do, but anyway, that decaf coffee was pretty good. Definitely a must if you're gonna be like studying and you're not gonna be out that late. I mean, you're out late. You don't want too much caffeine in your system. So yeah, that's that. And I'll show you guys It's so close, man. Look at that. It's super close. It's super close. So that's what I was looking at earlier. And yeah, I'm gonna conclude this day now, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Weigh in. Let's go. Okay, so I lied. Can't exactly move yet. There's a car in the way, but I mean, there's nothing we can do about it. I told the police guy or security guard to, you know, such is life, man. This Starbucks though, always motherfucking packed, man. Like, it's 9 p.m. on a Monday, and there's so many people. Is that the guy? Oh yeah, the guy's here. Is he? Fuck, is not. Holy shit. Okay, I think he heard me, but oh, all right, it's moving. All right, see you guys in the next. Not moving, it's lighting. It's gonna move soon. See you guys in the next weigh-in. I'm rambling. That's what happens when I study. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I almost lost it in medicine, man. Like, I almost like was losing that job because there were so many things. I was getting motherfucking overwhelmed and shit. So yeah, I'll expand on that further if I feel like it, but for now, that's that. I need to go. All right, next weigh-in. All right, finally got home. I know I said next weigh-in, but it's not gonna be. After this clip's gonna be the next weigh-in. I just want to talk about, like, you know, starting classes. So you sort of get overwhelmed, especially for me, because I haven't been studying for 6 months. Like, I took a break, like, after I graduated from college, so I didn't really know what to do, because, like, I felt like there were so many things happening at once, especially in a subject that I couldn't really get a grasp of unless I really, you know, I really focused on it. So what I want to say is, you know, sometimes things just get you down. You just gotta push through them, man. Like, so many things that I learned from the gym, I apply in my studies. You know, just because a day is bad doesn't mean all days will be bad. So you just gotta push through them and know that, like, no one's dumb. Everybody has intellect, you know. You just gotta acquire it. You gotta know how you study, and, you know, eventually you will understand things. And that's really all I wanted to say. That eventually you will finally understand what you want to do in life, and, like, what's your true calling. Like, if you really want something, you're just gonna go out and get it, you know. That's what I realized. And, you know, just keep chugging away, keep plucking away, and eventually, guys, we'll make it. We'll all make it. P.S. Don't forget this tripod, because, like, whenever I decide to vlog, I'm in a vloggy mood, like how I am right now. It's gonna be hard without a tripod. So yeah, quick into my psyche in med school. Like, med school is pretty hard, man. I'm telling you, like, it's a major commitment. So, but I'm in it. P.S. I'm cutting. So, all right. See you tomorrow. It's the next day, guys. Weighing 207.6. Yeah, boy. All right. Just gonna get some coffee. It's currently 6:30 a.m. Yeah, nice hair. I'm gonna get some coffee, chug that, take a bath, go to school, and I'll see you guys. Maybe at the library and then the gym. It's gym day today, by the way. It's heavy bench day, so I think I'm gonna do 105 kilos, which is like, yeah, man, that's gonna be pretty good for 4 sets of 3. So yeah, it's gonna be an exciting gym day today. Let's get to that workout soon, please, cause I don't want to go to school right now. It's too damn early. Okay, I'm walking down these never-ending flights of stairs, seemingly to, I don't know, man. I'm just need to take a break because I found out that there was another topic that just added to the pracs. So I haven't studied that. I need to study it. So I'm in a rush because I'm gonna go to the gym later. And I need to study that topic, so I gotta finish that before 1, class of 1, then gym. Hectic. Alright guys, I just finished class. And I'm really tired right now. Feels like I've been studying for like the whole day, which is true, I have been. But yeah, the grind never stops, man. Like, I'm going to the gym now. Okay. I'm good. Breaking me up, man. Whatever. I'm going to the gym now. Just gonna get some BCAAs in me because I'm really tired. Like, fucking really tired. Hold up. Let's get a little bit of that BCAA action. Alright. BCAAs. Dude, I'm gonna do 1.5 scoops for the flavor. And after this, we're gonna go to the gym. Finally. So I'll walk away from here, so we're gonna enjoy walking, man. We're gonna enjoy motherfucking walking. Alright. Get back. Step 1. Step 2. Get this. Step 3, get camera. Step 4. Let's go. Alright, my legs feel like shit. Because I walked from the ground floor all the way to 14th floor on my yesterday going to the library, so I'm fucking tired right now. So my legs are kind of wobbly from these squats, as you will see. Fuck. Okay, guys. I'm soaking wet. Motherfucking rain just poured this shit out of me. My bag is soaking motherfucking wet. And I just want to take this time to say this day just did not go as well as planned. I laxly started the whole day. Gym fucking sucked. And I got wet. I don't understand what life's trying to teach me here, but man, it's really frustrating, man. Like, it's really frustrating. I'm not sure what else I'm gonna do. Probably eat and then study. So the good news is, though, I'll be able to do it after the gym. Some motherfucking rain let me down. Alright. Let's go. By the way, you're gonna be embarrassed with what I'm about to do. Because my fucking pants are on. Take them off. Take them out the job. Pants off. I'm gonna let these dry in the back of the car. Alright, dry up, motherfuckers. Dry up. Dry up, motherfuckers. Dry up. And I'm gonna use them again. Hopefully no one saw me. My ass is bare. Let's go. Let's go. Damn, that cannot be seen well at all. Cheeseburger deluxe. Alright guys, I'll just give you guys a little update. Yeah, it's dark out. It's around 7 p.m. I'm gonna go study now. First of all, like, after I got to the car, it stopped motherfucking raining. So, just my luck. I feel like this clip has been really fucked up. So I'm just gonna cut a lot of it and I'm gonna re-say it now. So basically, I ordered a cheeseburger deluxe. I forgot what I used to order before. It was a McDouble. It's like a cheeseburger. It's like a double cheeseburger in deluxe form. But what I got was just a single patty deluxe form, and that was a bad thing about that. I mean, like, now I'm kind of under calories, so I'm thinking is I'm gonna go buy some green tea frap from Starbucks, because that's what I'll be studying again. Starby for life. Now should end me my day like 2000, because like I'm probably eating right now habitually and, you know, consistently almost a kilo of chicken breast at lunch every single day. That's my first meal aside from the creamer. Yeah, man, like, just be consistent. I know the gym fucking not good today. The gym just wasn't good at all. I feel like I'm rambling now, but the gym just wasn't good today. You know, sometimes you gotta cut your losses, man. Like, I didn't have the work capacity for it. You know, you're cutting, of course there's gonna be work capacity loss, but the good news is, strength wise, you know, volume wise, I know I can't do what I did when I was 240 pounds. You know, for, you know, let's say 105 kilos. I can't lift 105 kilos for 6 sets of 4 anymore like I did back then. 4 sets of 3 now. Granted that it is paused now. It wasn't paused before, but anyway. I got off topic too much. I'm gonna end the video here. That's why I started this video. I'm gonna end this video here. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna go study till the night turns day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace, yo.